Dearborn Police Department and the Dearborn Public Schools recently held an emergency readiness exercise at Well Smith Middle School. Part of this training was designed to teach school employees what to do in the event of an emergency situation.
Our schools remain soft targets in our country, so we want to make sure that every school has adequate training in the event that they have an active shooter. We can hope that none will ever hit, but we have to be trained in the event that they do. It's very important that we train our school personnel on how to react to an active shooter before it happens. They interact with our police officers, with our SWAT team, and to make sure that we give the children at the school the utmost safety and security that we can provide them.
Having the opportunity to actually train in the school buildings gives our first responders an edge.
It's extremely critical for public safety, police, fire, and EMS to know the layout of the school, to know who's in charge, and to know how to respond in a hurry, because seconds mean lives and security of people. So it's very important. We learn as much as the school personnel learn when we go out to these sites.
For this exercise, officers react as if an emergency is really taking place.
Once the 911 call is put in, our rapid response team is immediately deployed to the schools. Equally, the fire department responds. We set up a place where we can meet, make safe entry, and by that time we found someone in the school to give us some direction on what's happening inside. It's a multi-pronged approach. Our highly trained officers go into the school, they sweep one room, one hallway at a time. First thing is we eliminate the threat. Second thing is we start identifying people in need of first aid and casualties, unfortunately. Then simultaneously we lead people out that have not been injured, take them to a safe place where family members and school staff can tend to them.
The continual training officers in Dearborn are involved in is key to their success protecting the community.
It just makes the city a safer place. It's no different than fire drills we used to do at schools all the time. It made the whole school community safer, and that's what this is designed to do as well. Make the entire city, make the schools, the places of business a safer place.
Walking moving. It's clear.